Are you an educator striving to create a supportive environment for your students? Nurturing well-being, mitigating workplace burnout and stress for educators. Introducing our meticulously crafted workshop designed to empower educators. This workshop is a transformative experience, equipping you with practical tools and strategies to prioritize your well-being and create a nurturing environment for your students. Join us as we delve into the intricate interplay between emotional intelligence and workplace stress. Gain insights on fostering a learning culture that nourishes emotional intelligence. This workshop supports training requirements nationwide. Empower yourself. Prioritize well-being. Transform your classroom. Join us for a transformative experience. Register now. Together, let's create a nurturing environment for our students.